Hey everyone, it's Kiki, and I wanted to do a cloth and paper unboxing with you. If you haven't already done so, come on and hang out with me and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment in the comment box. Yes, I've been gone for a while, and I still wanted to do this unboxing. So I started purchasing cloth and paper during the pandemic, and one of the items that I have in here is really the result of doing a repurchase because I use it almost daily and I finally ran out of paper. And I was taking my notes and that was hard to do. So I did kind of, open the box up because I knew I just couldn't use my hand, record, and as well as try to cut the tape. And so one of the things I really appreciate about Cloth and Paper's growth is that they have this message in their box now, because I have been watching all your amazing videos on YouTube. So there it says there's luxury in simplicity, and I actually have that dashboard in my 6-ring planner. I also really appreciate that now they have these kind of muslin pull string sacks that have the CP on them. I remember last year, I think it was in November or December, they were doing daily sales, and if you bought it during that time, this was embroidered. But this is a super nice extra to have as a customer. And I love the thickness and the sturdiness of the fabric. I love that it's a drawstring that I can use for other purposes. That's really cool. So let me close this up. Again, trying to do things with that one hand really doesn't work out in my best interest here. Hold on. I can do this. I can do this. There we go. Bam. That's a talent, y'all. Make a comment in the comment box if you think that's a talent. And so if you heard that is my young human, since you last saw me, I had one and I only have one. So one of the things I really appreciate is that now Cloth and Paper has this cute little envelopes file folder item here where they have your receipts, and then they have like little dashboard items for your planner or little pocket items to decorate your planner. And so one of the items that they have here is this card. Let's see what it says together. It says Cloth and Paper, number 1. And it says, there are all these moments you think you won't survive and then you do. And it looks like it repeats it to the bottom. I really like that. That's inspirational because life does change and it has to change. And it really depends on how we take that moment and turn it into a rejuvenation of our minds and bodies for the most part. And I won't lie, it's a really hard thing to do when it happens. But when you look back on it, you recognize that you not only survived it, you thrived under the conditions that you were presented. And then here they have another card, which is beautiful, that I will put in my planner to decorate it. And I have to take it off the camera so I can read it. In a great soul, everything is great. I love that. That's gorgeous. Beautiful. Thank you. Very inspirational. And then over here, this is another insert card, and it says the 2024, oh, hold on. Can't read that. 2024 dated inserts monthly Monday start. And I do believe I have those come in for the next year. And then in the back of it, it just has different things. Share, refresh, assistance. Thank you so much for your purchase and welcome to the Cloth and Paper family. Thank you, Ashley and team. So these are really nice. I'm definitely going to use this in my planner as well. And so what did I get, y'all? What I purchased, my child just said nothing because it's not for him. And so what I purchased was refills. Yes, just like I told you, it is these HP mini refills that I'm going to use. So I've been using the HP mini as a notebook for my different regular tasks and requirements. And so I use the HP mini as a notebook, and then I have my 6-ring planner. I also have like small or pocket planner as well that I use for just kind of like regular reminders. And so if you're interested in these, it's called the Task Planner SKU number 3114714B. And on each page it says cloth and paper. You can't see that because it's upside down. But on each page it says cloth and paper. And this is about the space in it. It really works for me. And because I'm left-handed, what I do for the disc notebook that I have is I simply pull out the pages when I'm using it and then I put them back in. I really like the convenience of that. And if I'm somewhere where I can't necessarily pull out a page right on a desk, I just literally write in the notebook itself. And so it's a great way to keep me organized. I can have multiple notes and conversations with people and then kind of move it around and create like almost like a filing system for our conversation. So it's really convenient. All right, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. You'll be seeing more videos from me pretty soon. Thank you for sticking around to the end of this video. And if you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe. Bye.